In this video, Police Officer Darian Jarrott made the decision to pull over a white Chevrolet pickup truck. He instructed the driver to pull over to the side of the road and, after a while, he approached the Chevrolet and began asking the driver some questions. Police Officer Darian Jarrott told the driver, identified as 39-year-old Omar Felix Cueva, to step out of the vehicle, and he mentioned that he would conduct a search, and everything unfolded from that point onward.
Darian Jarrott, I'm with New Mexico State Police. The reason for the stop is your window tint's a little too dark. Yeah. You mind if I open the door? Or if you want to roll down the window more.
Dark?
Yeah. I noticed you got temp tags. You got a registration for the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
I'll need registration and your driver's license as well. Right. You got okay. All right. Do you have insurance for the vehicle? Yeah. Where is it? It's with the wallet. Do me a favor. Come with me to my vehicle. That way I can run your name and date of birth, and then that way I can get my return. Okay? Go ahead. Shut the vehicle off if you want. It's up to you.
You can run my name if you want.
Well, I know.
Well, she's on the phone actually. Babe, can you send me a photo of my license? Did you find my wallet?
That'll work. Grab the phone and come with me to my vehicle so I can get the return, and then I can make sure that everything's good.
That's fine.
Okay. What was your name?
Omar Cueva?
Omar Cueva?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Cueva.
O-M-A-R-C-E-V-A.
Okay. Okay. While she's sending the pic, let's go so that I can run my checks on you. Huh?
Get up?
Yeah, so I can run my checks and I can talk to you a little bit while I'm running my checks, and then you'll show me the picture right away because I got paperwork I gotta do, you know? Hey, real quick. You have a firearm on you? Yeah. No, I see it. Waist. Do me a favor. You mind if I take it off you for my safety? Alright, hold on. Alright, let's go to my vehicle, okay? Come on. Oh, shit!
So come 451, status check on traffic.
There he goes! Fuck yeah! Watch out! Hey, get the fuck back!
Dude! He straight shot at that car!